From an academic and scientific perspective, human fingers hold an extraordinary importance because they are not merely physical appendages but fundamental instruments of intelligence, evolution, culture, technology, and civilization. Scientifically, fingers are an integral part of a highly complex and coordinated system involving the nervous system, musculoskeletal structure, and brain control. The human hand consists of 27 bones, 14 of which are located in the fingers alone, connected through joints, ligaments, and muscles in such a refined manner that they allow both powerful grips and extremely delicate movements. This unique anatomical design enables humans to perform tasks ranging from lifting heavy objects to executing highly precise actions such as threading a needle, writing, painting, performing surgery, or operating advanced technological devices. Neuroscience reveals that a disproportionately large area of the motor cortex in the human brain is dedicated to controlling the fingers, demonstrating their critical role in motor function and cognitive activity. This extensive neural representation indicates that finger movement is closely linked with learning, memory formation, and problem-solving abilities, as physical interaction with the environment enhances brain development and neural connectivity. Research in developmental psychology shows that finger-based activities during childhood, such as grasping toys, stacking blocks, drawing, and writing, significantly contribute to cognitive growth and fine motor skill development. From an evolutionary biology standpoint, the opposable thumb and flexible fingers marked a revolutionary milestone in human evolution. Early humans who developed enhanced finger dexterity were able to create and manipulate tools, hunt more effectively, prepare food, and build shelters, which dramatically improved survival rates. Tool making, made possible by precise finger control, eventually laid the foundation for agriculture, industry, and scientific advancement. Without fingers, the invention of tools, the wheel, or even writing would not have been feasible, as these innovations rely on the ability to grasp, shape, and control objects with accuracy. Writing, in particular, represents a profound intellectual leap, as it allows knowledge to be recorded, preserved, and transmitted across generations, and this entire process depends on the controlled movement of fingers. In anthropology and forensic science, fingerprints are considered one of the most reliable forms of human identification. Each individual's fingerprint pattern is unique, formed before birth, and remains unchanged throughout life. This uniqueness has made fingerprints indispensable in criminal investigations, biometric security systems, and identity verification, highlighting the scientific value of fingers beyond physical interaction. In the fields of physics and biomechanics, the study of finger movement, grip strength, and pressure distribution explains how humans can securely hold objects of various shapes, sizes, and textures. Fingers adjust force dynamically through sensory feedback, allowing delicate handling without damage or firm grip without slippage. Engineering and robotics draw heavily from this biological model. Robotic hands and prosthetic limbs are designed to replicate the structure and functionality of human fingers in order to achieve similar precision and adaptability. Advances in artificial intelligence and biomedical engineering increasingly focus on recreating tactile sensation and finger-like dexterity in machines, emphasizing how scientifically advanced yet difficult to replicate the human hand truly is. In medical science, fingers play a vital diagnostic role as well, being used to check pulse, assess circulation, measure oxygen saturation, and evaluate neurological reflexes. Loss or impairment of finger function significantly affects quality of life, which further underlines their importance in human health and independence. Psychologically and socially, fingers serve as powerful tools of communication. Gestures, hand signals, and sign languages rely extensively on finger movement to convey emotions, ideas, and complex linguistic structures. Sign language, used by deaf communities worldwide, demonstrates that fingers alone can form a complete, sophisticated language system capable of expressing abstract thoughts, scientific concepts, and cultural values. Social sciences also show that finger gestures carry different meanings across cultures, reflecting diversity in human communication and social norms. In early education and mathematics, fingers historically served as the first counting tools, helping children understand numbers, quantities, and basic arithmetic long before formal symbols are learned. Even today, finger counting remains an effective cognitive aid in numerical learning, reinforcing the link between physical movement and abstract reasoning. Neuroscience further supports this connection by showing that fine finger movements enhance neural plasticity, strengthening brain pathways associated with learning and creativity. In the modern digital age, the role of fingers has expanded rather than diminished. Touchscreen technology, keyboards, gaming controllers, and virtual reality interfaces all depend on finger interaction. Computers, smartphones, and digital communication systems would be practically unusable without the precise input provided by fingers. Entire fields such as computer science, digital design, and online communication are fundamentally dependent on finger dexterity. In the arts, fingers remain central to human expression. Musicians rely on finger placement and movement to produce melody and harmony, artists use fingers to sculpt and paint, and dancers use hand gestures to enhance storytelling and emotional impact. Across science, education, technology, and culture, human fingers represent a multidimensional system that connects biology with intellect and physical capability with abstract thought. In conclusion, from an academic and scientific standpoint, human fingers are not simply anatomical features but essential drivers of human progress, embodying the integration of biological design, cognitive function, technological innovation, and cultural development, and proving that the advancement of humanity is deeply rooted in the remarkable capabilities of the human hand.